Today, I've stumbled upon something truly remarkable, a game changer in the realm of online income. Here's why. Anyone can earn with this method. Yes, it is bulletproof and has been proven to work so well that it gives you access to tap into the biggest traffic source on the web. The best part is, you leverage free viral traffic. It has a guarantee to earn you the first dollars in 24 hours. My student did a whopping $6,000 with it. It is fast with zero learning curve. My goal today is that, at the end of this video, you'll have the ability to automate your lead generation in 2 clicks. Yes. Now imagine a world where making money doesn't mean selling products or showcasing yourself on camera. Instead, picture an avenue so unconventional yet simple. It feels like a dream. This path to financial freedom isn't hidden behind complex strategies or exhausting efforts. It's here, waiting for you. A seamless integration into your life. Are you curious enough? Do you want to unravel this mystery? Just drop a comment below and I'll share all the intriguing details with you. I want to know if we are in this together. What if I told you that you could earn every time someone clicks on your link? Yes, you heard that right. No sales pitches, no public persona, just clicks and commissions. Ready to dive deeper? Did you know? Generating high-quality leads is the cornerstone of success for any affiliate you know. And guess what? With the expiring one-time link I have below in the description, all you need to do is drive traffic to your mega link. What's the secret sauce? It's Facebook. That's where the magic happens. Today, I'm here to share a revolutionary tool that will automate your lead generation on Facebook Messenger with just 2 clicks. You heard that right. Just 2 clicks to unlock a world of possibilities. Let me take you on a journey where earning online is effortless and exhilarating. This isn't about pushing products or building a public image. Instead, it's about embracing a new way of income that requires nothing more than a simple click. Imagine waking up to find your account balance growing, not from endless sales pitches, but from the power of curiosity and engagement. This method is so straightforward that it feels almost magical. All you need to do is share a link, and every click becomes a stepping stone towards your financial freedom. Think about it. No need to stand in the spotlight. No need to craft elaborate sales funnels. You get paid every time someone clicks on your link. It's a quiet revolution in the world of online earning, and you can be at the forefront of it. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible. How can something so simple be so effective? The answer lies in understanding the power of high-quality leads. Leads are the lifeblood of any affiliate marketing strategy. They are the connections that transform curiosity into commission. And with OLSP, you don't need to worry about finding these leads. The only thing you need to do is direct them to your mega link. But where do you find these leads? The answer is right at your fingertips. Facebook. The vast and vibrant community of Facebook is a goldmine of potential leads. I'm excited to introduce you to a tool that will make tapping into this goldmine effortless. I'm excited to introduce you to a tool that will make tapping into this goldmine not just possible, but incredibly easy. Now, picture a tool that works tirelessly in the background, connecting you with the right people, generating leads, and paving the way for your financial success. This tool will transform your approach to affiliate marketing, making lead generation as simple as 2 clicks. In the world of affiliate marketing, the quality of your leads can make or break your success. High-quality leads are more than just names and numbers. They are the lifeblood of your business. They represent individuals genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Individuals who are more likely to engage, click, and convert. With OLSP, the emphasis is on the simplicity of lead generation. Imagine not having to chase potential clients or spending countless hours crafting perfect pitches. Instead, picture a system where your primary focus is driving traffic to your mega link, and the rest falls into place effortlessly. OLSP redefines the affiliate marketing landscape by making lead generation the cornerstone of your strategy. By leveraging the power of high-quality leads, you're not just increasing your chances of success, you're ensuring a steady stream of potential conversions. This approach transforms how you engage with your audience, making your efforts more efficient and impactful. And where better to find these high-quality leads than Facebook? A platform bustling with activity, filled with diverse groups and communities, ready to be tapped into. OLSP and Facebook together create a perfect synergy for generating leads, setting you on a path to success without the usual hurdles. Now that we understand the importance of high-quality leads and the potential of Facebook, let me introduce you to the revolutionary tool that will change your affiliate marketing game forever, Mega Messenger. It is not just another software, it's a comprehensive solution designed to automate your lead generation effortlessly. Imagine a tool that works for you around the clock, tirelessly seeking out potential leads and engaging them on your behalf. With Mega Messenger, you can sit back and watch your leads grow, all on autopilot. Here's how it works. With just 2 clicks, you install the software, and from that moment, it begins its magic. It grows your Facebook presence by joining groups relevant to your niche, sending friend requests to potential leads, and even following up with them. The best part? It sends personalized opening messages through your DMs, responds to incoming messages within seconds, and replies to your Facebook posts. It even broadcasts messages to tagged leads, ensuring your communication is always targeted and effective. Imagine waking up to see your Facebook network expanding and your inbox filled with engaged leads, all without lifting a finger. Mega Messenger takes care of everything, from initial contact to follow-up, creating a seamless experience for both you and your potential clients. Want a team working for you 24/7 for free? But that's not all. The tool is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. You don't need any technical expertise to get started. It's a plug-and-play solution, meaning once you set it up, it runs on its own. You can customize it to fit your specific needs, but even the default settings are optimized for success. The smart affiliates who adopt this tool will find themselves at a significant advantage. While others struggle with manual lead generation, you'll have an automated system that works tirelessly to grow your business. The efficiency and effectiveness of Mega Messenger can turbocharge your affiliate commissions, putting you ahead of the competition. Don't wait for others to catch on. The time to act is now. By integrating Mega Messenger into your strategy, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting yourself apart as a leader in the affiliate marketing world. This is more than just a tool. It's your key to a hassle-free, automated lead generation system that can transform your approach and elevate your success. Here is a step-by-step. Let's dive into how you can set up and use Mega Messenger to automate your lead generation seamlessly. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to effortless lead generation. Step 1. Installation. Start by installing Mega Messenger. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Go to the official website, download the software, and with just 2 clicks, you'll have it installed on your system. No complicated setup and no technical expertise is required. Step 2. Setting up your profile. Once installed, open the software and connect it to your Facebook account. Customize your profile settings to align with your marketing goals. Add a profile picture, a compelling bio, and any other details that reflect your brand. This ensures that your interactions are personalized and professional. Step 3. Joining Facebook groups. Mega Messenger will automatically join groups that are relevant to your niche. You can also manually add groups if you have specific targets in mind. This expands your reach and places you in communities where potential leads are actively engaging. Step 4. Sending friend requests. The software will start sending friend requests to individuals who are likely to be interested in your offerings. You can set criteria for these requests to ensure they are targeted. Mega Messenger does this consistently, growing your network with high-quality leads. Step 5. Automated messaging. Here's where the magic happens. Mega Messenger sends personalized opening messages to new connections. It follows up on initial conversations, ensuring that no lead goes cold. You can customize these messages, but the default templates are already optimized for engagement. Step 6. Responding to DMs. Mega Messenger responds to incoming messages almost instantly. This quick response time is crucial in maintaining engagement and increasing the chances of conversion. The software handles these interactions smoothly, providing answers and nurturing leads. Step 7. Engaging with posts. Mega Messenger will also interact with posts in groups and on your timeline. It replies to comments and engages in discussions, keeping your profile active and visible. This increases your presence and attracts more leads to your profile. Step 8. Broadcasting messages. Finally, Mega Messenger allows you to broadcast messages to tagged leads. This is perfect for announcements, promotions, or any updates you want to share with your network. It ensures that your communication is always targeted and efficient. By following these steps, you'll see how effortlessly Mega Messenger integrates into your routine. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer that automates the most time-consuming aspects of lead generation, allowing you to focus on what you do best, building relationships and growing your business. And that's how you automate your lead generation in 2 clicks, my friend. My hope for you is to see those $2,600 paydays after payday happening to you daily. Get Mega Messenger on the link below, easy and fast in just 2 clicks. Remember some people and not you. Love wasting time, watching video after video, wishing that they were making those high affiliate commissions they see. They ended up simply liking the video, just because the said video meets their desire for that day only. And there are other beginners, people who are brand new to online marketing and are looking to earn their first dollars in the next 24 hours. People who want a guaranteed way to earn commissions online. People who have struggled with previous methods, who want something easy for beginners. People who want a system that's proven to work, backed by millions in commissions. And my big belief is that you are that person. You are that people. I know it because I have been that person day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. Imagine it's 2024 and nothing has changed for you yet up to this moment. I always had nothing to show for it. I struggled. I lost so much that I can't even describe it here, as it keeps eating me inside. Until the day I said to myself, let me make it happen. All I had was a phone with Facebook in it, the last $70 in my bank account, and I even used free public Wi-Fi, and I got my Megalink and got to work. The good thing at the time is, it costed less than what I had in my bank account at that time. And I could do simple things, copy and paste. It's the same simple, easy, and no experience required formula that will be skyrocketing your affiliate marketing success. The formula is pretty simple. Get leads plus big commissions on OLSP equals your next level of success. But how? Well, if you've been following my videos the past few days, and up to this point, you'll know that Mega Messenger solves the first half of the equation. Lead generation. Mega Messenger isn't just about getting leads, it's about getting the right leads directly through FB Messenger on autopilot. But leads alone don't guarantee success. You also need to nurture and monetize your leads via things like email sequences, sales funnels, and webinars. This is why Wayne Crow created the complete package for affiliate marketers. Mega Builders, giving you a 360-degree toolkit for a complete affiliate marketing business. Here's the breakdown of everything included from the one-time link in the description below. Mega Messenger to automate your lead generation worth $47 per month in value, $1,000 to $4,000 in high-ticket commissions, a whopping 50% commissions from 3 done-for-you sales funnels, a bunch of commissions from Wayne's sales webinars, a massive must-attend weekly group coaching worth $997 per month in value, a beginners-friendly community of like-minded affiliate marketers from all walks of life. Access worth a whopping $100 per month. Value, a free all-in-one Mega Builders page. Builder worth a whopping $100 per month value. CRM, autoresponder with done-for-you email sequences. Squeeze page templates. Survey and form builder, accountability and support. All these are worthy and priceless in value. Imagine having a comprehensive suite of tools and resources at your fingertips, designed to take you from generating leads to closing sales with ease. That's what Mega Builders offer, a holistic approach to building and scaling your affiliate marketing business. Ready to see the complete picture of your success? I hope it is a yes. Let us do this. Let us do